Flux, from Black Forest Labs, is one of the newest and most talked about AI image generators. It powers Grock's incredibly realistic images, and people are calling it a potential game changer in the world of AI. Some even say it could replace models like MidJourney or Stable Diffusion, thanks to its ability to produce lifelike detailed images. One thing that sets Flux apart is its open-source nature, meaning anyone can access and modify it. This flexibility is exciting but also raises concerns. Flux is particularly good at creating realistic images of people, and experts warn that impersonation, not inappropriate content, is the real danger. Google's Imagin 3 also launched recently and offers impressive features like prompt generation and a smooth interface, but it's highly restricted to prevent misuse. Flux, on the other hand, allows for much more freedom. Flux comes in three versions: Pro, Dev, and Schnell. The Schnell version is licensed for commercial use, while the Dev model offers the highest quality but isn't for business purposes. If you want to try it out, websites like Fowl offer hosted versions, or you can run it locally using Hugging Face's diffusers library. With the right setup, you can fine-tune the model with your own images and captions, giving you full control over the output. Flux is already being used for a variety of custom applications, from generating personalized photos to creating virtual influencers. It's not just a tool, it's a powerful platform that's pushing the boundaries of what AI-generated imagery can achieve.